Hello, good afternoon to you. It's me again, Spiller the IT Headhunter, with my regular podcast about the available IT positions at KBC Global Services Hungary. Greetings from Budapest, from the bank of the Danube, not far from the National Theatre, from the headquarters of KBC Global Services Hungary. And at the moment I'm seeking fresh graduate system administrators for the control tower team, but I will have to use a script because the job description is quite long and complex. But before going into the details about the job and about the requirements, I'd like to give you some overview about the company culture and about the reason why you should join KBC. So why KBC? Why should I recommend you this job at KBC? So first of all, because we have different interesting projects, exciting projects. For instance, we have a mobile banking application which is one of the best in the world, and we also develop Kate, which is an AI-based digital assistant, and we are also exploring the future of finance with KBC Coin, with Kate Coin. It's Kate Coin, which is a blockchain-based programmable money. So as you can see, we have different innovations at KBC, and our ongoing projects are also quite exciting. And now some words about the company culture. So KBC is coming from a traditional world of banking and insurance, and nowadays it operates just like a startup company. At KBC, we think in an agile, dynamic and forward-looking way. And you will have to join a community of 1,500 IT professionals, working together in shaping the future of banking. And innovation is not just a goal, this is part of our DNA. So I think this is a good introduction for you about KBC, and this is a better understanding for you about the culture of KBC. Well, after introducing the company culture to you, I'd like to speak a little bit about your challenge, about your job. So one day you are implementing improvements and new features, and the next day you are solving complex issues. And you will also have to ensure system stability. So all the days are really different. So this is what it makes really exciting. And what we are looking for is someone who is willing to work in a 24/7 shift system. After onboarding, this is going to be 3 shifts. You should stay calm and effective under pressure. You hold a bachelor's or a master's degree. You are eager to learn and grow in IT infrastructure, especially in mainframe and in open systems. You enjoy problem solving, automation and continuous improvement. You thrive in a collaborative and team-oriented environment. You communicate confidently in English. You have strong analytical thinking and business understanding, and you take the initiative and deliver results. So this is what we are looking for. This is the ideal candidate. And I should also tell you some information about the recruitment process. So the very first step is usually an online interview with me, with the IT recruiter. Then the next step is usually a Scrum Master interview, which is partly technical because the Scrum Master is going to invite some technical interviewers, and if you pass the technical part, then the final step, the final round, is a personal HR interview here in the Budapest office. So you can come into the office, have a look around, meet some of your future colleagues, and we can speak about the offer as well. Okay, so this is the recruitment process, and I think I am also going to give you some more information about the offer, about the package. So not about the base salary, but about the package, about the fringe benefits. So at KBC, your growth and well-being matter, and we provide a long-term and stable career for you with continuous learning and development, with a competitive salary and attractive benefits, with 10% flexible and customizable cafeteria, with annual performance-based bonuses, with a company phone with private use. You are going to have employee banking discounts, Medicare health package. You can use your English daily in an international environment. So this is a culture that values your ideas and encourages innovation as well. And as for the working environment, we work in a modern office where you will have bicycle storage and showers, free coffee and community spaces. restaurant with panoramic view over the Danube, so this is where we are at the moment, and of course green office environment with plenty of nearby dining options as well. So this is what we can offer, and I have told you what the job is. We've talked about the environment, about the company culture and the selection process. So if you are interested in this position and if you fulfill the requirements, then please apply. Thank you very much for your attention, and goodbye. Bye bye.